Qdrant Cloud offers multiple login options. If you are subscribed to a Qdrant Cloud Premium plan, you also have the possibility to connect Qdrant Cloud to your company's single sign-on system. Qdrant Cloud supports multiple single sign-on providers, and if you want to set this up for your company, please open a support ticket and our support team will be able to guide you through the process. Once it is set up, all you have to do is go to the login page of Qdrant Cloud and choose Sign in with SSO. Then enter the email address of your company and you will be redirected to the single sign-on system that your company uses. In this case, it is going to be Microsoft Entra ID. Let's log in with my company's password here and verify two-factor authentication. And once this is done, you will be redirected to Qdrant Cloud and you will be logged in with your company account.